Hello everyone, how are you doing? Nat here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to reinstall and reset the Microsoft Store in Windows 10 and Windows 11. The first step is go to the start menu and type WSReset. You can show this option and select Run as Administrator. WSReset is Windows Store Reset, one click in Run as Administrator, and wait a moment, can be patient. And this is all. The Microsoft Store restart or reset automatically, and this is all. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.